Financial freedom. Everyone talks about it, everyone wants it, but most people have no idea how to actually get there. If you've been overwhelmed by conflicting advice about investing, side hustles, or passive income, this video is going to simplify everything. I'm going to break down the easiest, most straightforward path to financial freedom. No complicated strategies, no get-rich-quick schemes, just a proven system that actually works. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap that you can start following today. What is financial freedom? First, let's define what we're actually talking about. Financial freedom doesn't mean being a millionaire with a yacht and a private jet. For most people, financial freedom means having enough money that you're not stressed about bills. You can make choices based on what you want rather than what you need, and eventually, you don't have to work unless you want to. True financial freedom is when your passive income covers your living expenses. When your investments, businesses, or assets generate enough money to pay for your life without you actively working. That's when you're truly free. The amount you need depends entirely on your lifestyle. If you spend $3,000 a month, you need enough assets generating $3,000 monthly. This is why the first step isn't about making more money. It's about understanding your money. As step 1, get your financial house in order. You cannot build financial freedom on a broken foundation. Before you start investing or building wealth, you need to fix the basics. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for 1 month. Every coffee, every subscription, every impulse purchase. Use an app like Mint or YNAB, or just use a spreadsheet. You need to know where your money is actually going, because most people spend more than they think on things that don't matter. Next, create a realistic budget. I don't mean a restrictive diet where you can't enjoy anything. I mean a spending plan that prioritizes what actually makes you happy while cutting the waste. Cancel subscriptions you don't use. Stop buying lunch every day if you can meal prep. Cut expenses that don't bring you joy. Then build an emergency fund. This is non-negotiable. You need 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in a high-yield savings account. This money isn't for investments, it's your safety net. Without this, one car repair or medical bill will derail your entire journey. Finally, eliminate high-interest debt. If you're carrying credit card balances at 18 or 20% interest, pay those off before investing. There's no investment that reliably beats those rates. Every dollar going to credit card interest is a dollar that could be building your freedom. And step 2, increase your income. Here's a truth most people don't want to hear. You can't budget your way to wealth. Frugality is important, but there's a limit to how much you can cut. There's no limit to how much you can earn. You need to focus on increasing your income through 2 main paths: climbing the ladder in your career or creating additional income streams. For your career, invest in skills that make you more valuable. Get certifications, learn high-demand skills like coding or data analysis, or specialize in something that pays well. Don't just work hard, work strategically. Every year, you should be worth more to the market than you were the year before. Don't be afraid to switch jobs. Statistically, people who change jobs every few years earn significantly more over their careers than people who stay loyal to one company. Know your worth and negotiate accordingly. For additional income, think about what skills you already have that people will pay for. Can you freelance? Consult? Create digital products? Start a side business? Dedicating an extra 10 to 15 hours weekly to building additional income can dramatically accelerate your path to freedom. The goal is to create a gap between what you earn and what you spend. The bigger this gap, the faster you reach financial freedom. If you earn $5,000 a month and spend $4,000, you have $1,000 to invest. If you increase your income to $7,000 while keeping spending at $4,000, you've tripled your investment capacity. Step 3, invest aggressively and consistently. This is where the magic happens. Saving money in a regular savings account will not make you rich. Inflation will actually make you poorer over time. You must invest. The easiest and most proven way to build wealth is through index fund investing. Index funds have created more millionaires than any other investment vehicle. Here's the simple strategy. Invest consistently in low-cost index funds that track the total stock market. The S&P 500 has historically returned about 10% annually over the long term. If you invest consistently and let compound interest work, you will build substantial wealth. Set up automatic investments. Every month, as soon as you get paid, a portion of your money should automatically go into your investment accounts. Pay yourself first. Most people save what's left over after spending. Wealthy people invest first and spend what's left over. How much should you invest? Financial experts often recommend 15 to 20% of your gross income. But if you want financial freedom faster, push for 30, 40, or even 50%. The more you invest, the faster you reach freedom. Use tax-advantaged accounts first. Max out your 401k, especially if your employer matches contributions. That match is literally free money. Then max out a Roth IRA. These accounts let your money grow tax-free or tax-deferred, which significantly accelerates wealth building. Don't try to time the market. Don't panic when markets crash. Market crashes are opportunities to buy investments on sale. History shows that markets always recover and reach new highs. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Step 4. Build passive income streams. Investing in index funds is passive income, but it takes time to build enough to cover your expenses. To accelerate your journey, consider building additional passive income streams. Real estate is one of the most reliable wealth-building tools. Rental properties can generate monthly cash flow while appreciating in value. House hacking, where you buy a property and rent out rooms while living there, can dramatically reduce your housing costs while building equity. If real estate isn't feasible, consider real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which let you invest in real estate without buying property. They're required to distribute 90% of their income as dividends, providing steady passive income. Digital products are another avenue. If you have expertise in anything, you can create online courses, ebooks, or templates that generate income repeatedly from one-time effort. A single course created once can sell thousands of times. Dividend-paying stocks provide regular cash flow. While growth stocks might offer higher returns, dividend stocks pay you quarterly just for owning them. As you get closer to financial freedom, shifting some investments toward dividend stocks can provide the cash flow you need to cover expenses. The timeline. So how long does this take? If you can save and invest 50% of your income and earn average market returns, you can achieve financial freedom in roughly 15 to 17 years. Sound like a long time? It is. But those years are going to pass anyway. You can spend them working toward freedom or stuck in the same place. The choice is yours. If you're more aggressive and can invest 60 or 70% of your income, you can cut that timeline to 10 to 12 years. The math is simple. The more you invest, the faster you're free. And final thoughts. Financial freedom isn't complicated. It's simple, but it's not easy. It requires discipline, consistency, and delayed gratification. You're choosing future freedom over present comfort. Get your finances organized. Increase your income. Invest aggressively and consistently. Build passive income. That's it. That's the path. No tricks, no shortcuts, just proven principles applied consistently over time. The easiest way to financial freedom is actually the most straightforward way. Start today. Even if you can only invest $50 this month, start. The perfect time was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped clarify your path to financial freedom, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense money advice. Drop a comment telling me where you are in your financial freedom journey. Now stop watching and go take action.